everybody. How you guys doing today? I just want to do this short video as I'm making dinner for Pam and I. We're having vegan grilled cheese sandwiches, and we're having this nice vegetable bean soup that we like to make to go with our sandwiches. Now, of course, I know you guys know how to make grilled cheese sandwich. I'm just basically just showing this video as I explain where I'm going next with our channel. And so for a while now, we've been wanting to go more plant-based, vegan, I guess, meatless, all the above, for better health. We want to feel better, less pains, less inflammation. So for the last 8 months, we've been actually vegan. I just have not recorded any videos of me making some of these dishes until now. So we would like to start taking the channel to vegan only. So hopefully all you guys enjoy what we are making, and keep continuing to watch our channel because we really do appreciate it. And some of these dishes, even if you still do eat meat, some of these dishes you could still I don't know, you could use them as a side dish with your meat if you chose, or if you want to go ahead and use the whole recipe that you see us doing and make a whole meal out of it, you could also do that as well. We've enjoyed it so far. We haven't had any complaints. We do feel better, and so I just want to let you know that's where we're going with our channel. So every video that you see after this video is going to be a vegan, plant-based meal. And so I really appreciate it. As you can see here in our final picture, we have the soup and the grilled cheese that's made, and that was with no carb bread and vegan cheese and vegan butter, and then of course our soup that's vegan. So again, we really appreciate all of you guys watching our channel. We hope to continue to keep growing and getting more people watching it. If you have any comments, please let us know down below. I will have the recipe for the soup in the down below where you can see it, and in the description. And I appreciate it. You guys have a great night. Thank you.